Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a new episode and a new car and a new project for you. This smile on my face wouldn't go away for a while as usual, because why? This car is very important and very fun to have. This is not a usual car. You would not see that car on the public roads as a common car. Why? Because it's very old and unusual. So I don't know why we bought it. Honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do with that, because the damage that this car has, in one word, is destroyed. Why? I don't know why that happened, but I mean, we bought it, it is what it is, and I just want to show you that. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, so this is the car that we got. It's a 1970 Chevelle. It's all burned. It smells very bad inside the car, but that's what we got. And honestly, I'm not sure what's our plan for that. It's just completely destroyed. But we might do something interesting for you guys. If you want it, guys, if you guys will help us out. So yeah, just honestly, I don't know. That's the condition of it. It's a 1970 Chevrolet with a complete burn damage inside, and some of the engine bay is damaged as well. So let's go and see the car. This is the car. As you guys can see, it has nice wheels. I like them. And this is the damage that it has. Completely damaged on the hood. And there you go, the inside. Man, it's so fun to see that. Everything what you see, guys, is destroyed. Everything. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. And the smell is very bad. It has a remote control, some kind of pills. Don't want to even touch that thing. Look at that ceiling. Wow. That is the disaster. But the exterior is pretty good, honestly. Look at the back. I like it. Valley by Chevrolet. Guys, this is the first day that we got the car. We never put it on a lift. I don't know what's underneath the car. Let's check the engine bay and see what's inside. Well, engine should be fine. The intake is blowing. The block itself, it should be fine. But as you guys can see, the battery's out. Everything is burned. Whew. Okay, so this is the view from the underneath the car. Looks like the whole suspension got rebuilt, and he put some kind of aftermarket stuff. Looks like it's a Mosa, a differential, brake system, shocks, sway bars, exhaust. They've done a really good job on that stuff. It looks very cool. It has no cats, so the sound while the engine is running should be very strong and good. The mufflers are Black Widow. Never heard about that. I guess it's a good brand. Let's check on the front side. Brake sway bar. The sway bar is SFP. Tires are very good. Looks very nice. Rims are some kind of brand as well. Front speed, I guess. So I think this car has a good potential. What do you guys think? I don't know, just comment below. know why we bought this car, we just bought it. It is what it is. The thing with this car, it has a good potential. So what I wanted to ask you guys, if this video will get 100,000 likes, I'll promise you we'll do something cool with the car. Why 100,000 likes? Because this car is completely destroyed. And to rebuild it or to do something cool, we gotta put a lot of time and money in this car. So if you guys will help us to hit 100,000 likes, that would be a kind of potential for us to do that stuff. If not, it's totally fine. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. We'll see. But if you guys will do that, it would be so cool. Right now, it's almost impossible, or those numbers at 100,000 likes is impossible for us. But I know that with the help of you, it could be reached very easily and quickly. Because last video about the BMW got viewed approximately 120,000. So if each of you would click like, that goal is easily achieved. So let's hit a goal, 100,000 likes. If you guys help us out, we'll do something cool with this car. So we removed a lot of trash inside the car, and look what we find in the trunk. It was a good sound system which was taken out. So let's go and check it out. Are you guys ready? Let's go. There you go. It looks like it has two big subwoofers on the trunk. And the trunk area was pretty good, honestly. It's missing the trunk cover, but I mean, looks good. Let's check inside. There you go. So door panels, steering wheel, seats, carpet could be saved probably. A lot of work for that car. Look, it had the aftermarket player, looks like Alpine or something, I don't know. Center console, rear side of the car, roof. It had some controls on the left side. Looks like he's done a good project on the car, because he put a new handles. It's kind of restyling. It had an auto system. And look what we find too. It's a touch-up paint for the car. And if we'll just open this up, we're gonna see something interesting inside that thing. Ah, there you go. See that? Pretty nice to have that inside the car. This is the engine bay that we got. Got some damages as well on this stuff. We took the 12-volt battery out. Engine, I would say it could be saved, just a top that got burned. The engine block itself is pretty good. The front area and the roof got damaged if you're talking about the body, but otherwise it's pretty good. I like the rims. Nice looking rims on that car. That's it for episode number 1. Hope you guys like the video and support our project. So the goal is 100,000 likes. If you guys help us, that would be so cool. Without you, we're gonna reach that goal. It sounds impossible for us, but I know that with you, it's all possible. So please help us reach that goal. If not, I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the car, but we'll see. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you guys think is the best idea for this car. Stay tuned. Thank you.